Hello everyone and welcome to a very special video. I don't know how to say it, so I'm just going to show you guys. I think this is my play button for hitting 100,000 subscribers. And I wanted to open it with you guys. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to try not to cry. So this is just going to be a quick unboxing video. So I guess I'm just going to open it. Oh my god. My husband is behind the camera. Thank you, husband. All right. I'm gonna try to be careful. Actually, don't do what I did. You should never cut toward yourself. You should cut away. Ah! Oh my god, this is I'm so scared. Oh, what's this? Congratulations! This award was inspected and packaged by Rick. Yay. Beautiful. Thanks, Rick! Okay, if you could just... Okay, maybe I need to open it from both sides. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. As soon as I lift this, I'm gonna see it. Ah! Oh. Okay. Thanks, Susan! I'm actually gonna keep this. Oh my god. It looks so cool. Oh my god. This is it. This is it. And it's mine. And I did it. And you guys did it. This is just as much yours as it is mine. Honestly. Oh my god. It feels so cool. I can see myself. Can you guys see yourself? Nice.
See me.
Nice. Oh my god. This award is for you guys. And I kind of want to have a Mean Girls moment where I like tear it into pieces and give it all to all of you guys. Hello. Oh, this is a great angle for me. Hello. Because I only have this because of you guys. And I'm not going to cry, but I'm really emotional right now just because I remember how happy I was when I reached 100 followers and then when I reached 1,000, and now I have like this big hunk of metal, and it's like, it's very surreal and very, very cool. And I just want to keep making videos and content for you guys, and just keep growing the awesome community that we have. And I appreciate every single one of you for making this into something that I never expected it to be. I'm gonna cry. Okay, I'm gonna end it here, otherwise I'm just gonna get like more sappy and gross, and I can already feel my face getting hot. Thank you guys. This is for you guys. This is yours just as much as it's mine, and I love you, and you guys are awesome and the best, and have a beautiful day. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.